Hello, everyone. This is the CT Cloud Podcast. This is episode 30 of the CT Cloud Podcast, and I am your host, Kate Herbert. Today, we're going to be talking about what differentiates CallTower from the competition. Some of these key differentiators are things like our best-in-class services. CallTower is purpose-built for enterprise-grade, cloud-based SIP trunking, SD-WAN, Cloud PBX, and contact center services. We also have a voice-optimized network to enhance those services. We are a cloud calling PSTN partner for Cisco WebEx calling. We are a Microsoft Teams direct routing certified PSTN partner, and we have flexible concurrent PTSN calling plans to adapt to our customers' requirements and usage across the globe. So really, one of the things that I've been hearing a lot from our customers is that they very much enjoyed a strategy that we use in implementation called crawl, walk, run, which is where, if you have a bunch of different locations of different departments across the globe, it can be really scary to launch one new system across all those parties, right? So what we do is the ones that are ready, you make sure they transition soon. And then you make sure that you get the others ready so that when their time comes, they can transition over. That way, the pricing isn't all up front, and the IT workload isn't all up front. You can kind of do it at your own pace. So that's something that we offer at CallTower that our competition isn't really interested in doing. We're also, of course, certified partners for Cisco and Microsoft. CallTower is Cisco certified for UCM Cloud and WebEx calling, and we are a Microsoft Teams direct routing certified PSTN partner. We have global reach. With CallTower, our customers enjoy seamless voice capabilities from single sites to multi-sites to multinationals with the industry's most extensive worldwide local phone number and service coverage. So instead of with some systems, if you're in Australia and you need to make a call to another part of Australia, those systems would bounce your call from Australia to the US and back to Australia. Well, we figure that's not a very efficient way to communicate, so we make sure that our local numbers work as well, so that our customers can make sure that their communication is as efficient as possible. With CallTower, customers are at peace knowing that we provide global PSTN and SIP trunking in 70 plus countries and 6,000 cities. The end result is a one company, one service center, and one invoice, which can be fantastic for companies that don't want to deal with, a dozen invoices for a dozen locations. We also offer new DIDs, and we port DIDs. We have localized in-country dial plans. We have international toll-free services, and we have integrated emergency services in E911. And we also have things like Informacast emergency notification plans, where you can manage like visitors in a campus environment, like schools or maybe an industrial campus. You can also have an emergency alert-based system where you can establish exactly what parameters would constitute an emergency, whether it's weather or maybe a crime is going on nearby and you have to do some sort of lockdown procedure. You can initiate that through a number of predetermined entry points, and you can send that out to overhead paging, texting, emails. You can design exactly what your system wants to look like for input and output, and it's a very efficient system. And we love working with our partners over at Informacast to get that up and running. And then finally, I would say one of our biggest differentiators is CallTower Connect. CallTower Connect is the industry's first multi-platform integration network, enabling seamless PSTN and on-net call routing access across all of our platforms. That is Microsoft, Cisco, Zoom, Metaswitch. Every single one of those, an IT admin can go in and change every admin decision you could possibly need. If you need new numbers, if you need to reassign numbers, if you need to change anything over for any of those services, you can do it all in one place, and it works on both your desktop and your mobile app. It's really something that is proprietary for CallTower, and it's something that really sets us apart from the competition. It is wonderful, revolutionary system that we've designed. So, those are just a few of our differentiators, and I thank you all for joining me today to learn about them. If this is your first time listening to the CT Cloud podcast, welcome. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want notifications for future episodes. So, until then, we will be back with episode 31 soon. So, thank you so much for joining us, and have a fantastic day.